How to review seller response you've given on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review seller response you've given on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find this three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then just go down. Here you will find settings and then just go down again until you find activity log and interactions, and here you will find seller response you've given. Just click on it, and as you see here you can manage seller response you've given on Facebook Lite, and then just go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.